want the ones I love right here by my side.
Hi Ian! Finally, andito na tayo. It's been a long journey. Congratulations, Attorney Ian.
Your money, keep your trip. I got friends up new and old. Everywhere I go, I'm home.
This will not be the last, but it will be the beginning of your journey.
My village, my tribe, my kind of company. The feeling is right. My village, my tribe. Here with my tribe.
Thank you and praise you, Lord God. We come before you with humility and thanksgiving, Lord God. Making him a lawyer and passing the bar exam is a true testament of your goodness and faithfulness into his life, Lord God.
We own and paint the town. Black gold, we get down. Don't mind if we get loud here with my crew. Don't matter who you are.
Maraming salamat po talaga sa lahat ng pagmamahal nyo, lahat ng pagsusuporta nyo, lahat ng pagsuspoil nyo sa akin. It really fuels me to become the best possible, not lawyer, but be the best possible person that I can be.
Yeah! My kind of people, my kind of vibe, my village, my tribe.
Ngayong attorney ka na, sana itong pagkapasa mo, dalhin mo para mas marami ka pang matulungan, mas marami ka pang mabigyan ng pagkakataon sa buhay.
My people, my vibe, here with my tribe.
As you're always saying, lagi para sa Diyos at bayan. Hangad namin ang iyong tagumpay saan man ikaw tatahakin, saang landas mo man pipiliin. Life is never incomplete. It is a wonderful life. So, live life to the fullest.
My kind of company, the feeling is right. My village, my tribe. Here with my tribe. My people, my vibe. Here with my tribe. My people, my vibe.
God bless always. I love you and you will always be my baby no matter what.
Yeah, yeah.
Sisikapin ko na hindi tayo dito nagtatapos at i-cite ko lang yung aking isang mga favorite na politicians. Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part.